This is standard 7 video number 3. Today we are going to read about the laboratory thermometer. Okay, what is laboratory thermometer? A laboratory thermometer is used in the laboratories for measuring the temperature while performing the experiments. Okay, now I am showing how it looks like. You can see the diagram, how it looks like. This is a laboratory thermometer. Okay, it consists of a very fine tube. Okay, it consists of, you can see a very fine tube is there. Okay, protected by a thick glass called the stem of the thermometer. The lower end of the capillary tube is converted into a glass bulb filled with the mercury, and the upper end of this tube is sealed. Okay, the stem is marked in degrees Celsius or Fahrenheit. The commonly used laboratory thermometer have a range from minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, the upper fixed point is 100 degrees Celsius or 110 degrees Celsius, and the lower fixed point is 0 degrees Celsius to minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay, when the thermometer is in contact with the hot body, the mercury in the capillary tube expand and rises. Okay, when the thermometer is in the contact with the cold body, the mercury in the capillary tube contracts and fall below. Now the most important point that this Gabriel Fahrenheit invented the first mercury thermometer in 1714. Now, precaution in using the laboratory thermometer. Okay, we should hold the laboratory thermometer vertically upright while measuring the temperature. Okay, the thermometer bulb should be surrounded from all sides by the substance whose temperature is to be measured. Okay, now third point is the thermometer bulb should not touch the sides or bottom of the container in which the substance is taken, because the reading might get some error. Take the reading of the thermometer while its bulb is still in touch with the substance whose temperature is to be measured. Read the thermometer by keeping the level of the mercury along the line of sight. Means straight you have keep where your sight is there. Okay, it should be handled with care, otherwise it will break. Okay, the thermometer, now some important points. The thermometer in which alcohol is used instead of mercury is called alcoholic thermometer. Alcohol is less harmful than mercury. Next, alcohol freezes at minus 115 degrees Celsius, so it can measure much lower temperature than mercury. Now, some advantages of using the mercury. Why we use the mercury also? Only it is highly conducting liquid, so it's quickly attain the temperature of the body which is placed in contact. It does not wet the glass. Okay, its expansion is nearly uniform. Okay, it expands very nicely, not too much fluctuation is there. It melts at minus 39 degrees Celsius and boils at 357 degrees Celsius. One important point is that water cannot be used as a thermometer liquid, because it freezes at 0 degrees Celsius and expansion is irregular, so we are not using. And next point is the water stick to the glass, stick to the stem. Okay, so we are not using. Thank you.